Good day, viewers. My name is Wayford. Welcome to another version of my Basic tutorial. And in this tutorial, we'll be working on the if statement. So let's work on a simple example here. The way the if statement works is if, then the condition, then the statement. And also, you should know when you open the if statement, you should always end the if statement. So let's work on a simple example, and then you should say print. So input A. Let me copy this. See, and this should be B. Oh, I need to do something first. Enter X. So we have written a simple program to find the greatest among two numbers. So here we've declared A as an integer, then B is also an integer. So this is just a label to print out, enter the first number. Let me change this to second number. Let me change the second number. Then B is the second number. If A is greater than B, then the output should be A is greater than B. Else, then B should be greater than A. Let's run this and see how it works. So you can see the program now. This is 5. The second number is 4. You can see 5 is greater than 4. So let's run another one. This one will be quite different from the other one. Here I'm trying to declare the data type of the variable name I'll be using as integer. I'll still be using the same. second number, and the second number would be b. So if a is less than b, then print else print So we are through with this program. This is similar to the first program I wrote at first, but I also had to modify some things here. And the first one was greater than. Here I will be using less than. So before I run this program, I will need to introduce you to some relational operator. We have the equal to sign. That's to show something is equal to something, like a is equal to b, or a is 11. Compared to other programming language like C++ or Fortran, we use a double equal to. But like QBasic, we make use of a single equal to. And then this means less than, this is greater than, this is less than or equal to, this greater than or equal to, and this is not equal to. I believe you all get that. This is equal to, this is less than, this is greater than, this is less than or equal to, this is greater than or equal to, then this is not equal to. So you can just try all this other one yourself. I would go through some and you would see. But first, let's run this program to see how it works. Enter the first number, that's 56. Enter the second number, 34. You can see 34 is less than 56. So let's try something here. Let's use the equal to sign and let's run this. Okay, let's change the statement here. A is equal to b, and a is not equal to b. Equal to b. Let's try this. So let's use something equal. Let's use 34, and then the other one is 34. You can see 34 is equal to 34. So I also want you guys to know we can also put an if statement inside an if statement. So let's try to do something here. If a is greater than 23, then print a is greater than 23. And also remember to end this if statement. So everything is fine. This if statement would have to perform its instruction if this if statement is true, else it is less. So now if a is less than b, it prints out a is less than b, and also if the a is greater than 23, it's gonna print out it is greater than 23. Let's run this and see what I'm saying. So let's make it 24, and then let's make this 2. Okay, 2 is less than, what's wrong here? 2 is less than 24. Okay, coming. So I was a little bit confused there, but it seems the program is working fine. So let's try to make it print the 2 statements. So if A is less than B and A should be greater than 23, so let's try something like our first number should be 25, and then this one should be 46. So you can see we have the 2 statements printed out. A is less than B, which is 24. 25 is less than 46, and also A is less than 20 is greater than 23 because A is 25. I believe you all get this. And also there is something called, this is the nested if anyways, and we can also use something like else if. And when you have the else if, you don't need an end if. So this is how it works. If A is less than B, then print this. If A, this is just a separate condition, it is not working under this first condition. I believe we all get it. This is a condition. It is just like giving a statement 3 conditions. If A is less than B, you should say A is less than B. If A is greater than 23, it's going to print this out, compared to the first one where you had to print the 2 statements out. Here it will just print out a single statement. So we shouldn't get this wrong. Let's run this and see what I'm saying. Let's try to okay, I believe it should still print out the second statement or something. 2 is less than 4. Let's try something. This is 25 and then 56. 25 is less than 26. Let's try something like a so you can see it is working properly. So here you can decide to put another suit, not to mess the whole program up. Let's just say if A is greater than B, then we have A is greater than B, else let's just leave this like this. A is greater than B, let's use 56 and 34. You can see A is greater than B. So that is how to use an if statement, and I've also introduced you to all the relational operators. You can just put them in between the 2 arguments to get the output of the program. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. Thank you.